Boom.
This is mine. These two are mine.
No, God.
Nice. Watch, smile, smile.
No,
Dang. I said I was filming.
Are you filming this?
I am now. You just broke your gun.
John and Eric. They're the two probably better.
Eric's in the bathroom.
No, I think it's between John and Brad.
John gets first
Alright.
pick. So, Brett, stop! Ready.
Yeah, of course you were, Nick.
Yeah, when I was a baby, I came out. I was like, holy shit, I'm ready for this war.
What's up? I'm Johnny. Yes.
You shoot out!
Okay. Shit, I got him! He's hit.
Get out!
Oh, shoot.
Yeah.
Crap, Mikey. Ah, shit. Wait, guys, I forgot my goggles.
Whoa.
Reel this!
Hold on! Brad forgot his goggles!
Wait!
Brad forgot his goggles!
Hey, Brett! 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 I threw a pair of goggles. Oh. Okay. Are you still there? Nick, do you have a pair? Wait. All right, how great messed up. No! Wait, Nick, you're out. I know. I'm done. Messed up. Hold on, get out of the way. All right, come in. Oh, run.
There goes Bobby. Comes Brandon. You guys are done for.
Yeah.
Oh, that's a nice idea.
Hey! Hit! Right down, he's left.
Yeah, now I know what you're talking about. This isn't a fort, it's gay.
Oh.
We gotta move up. We gotta move up.
Listen, I'm moving up.
Go, move up. Guys, stop. Ah! Pistol! Cable to fire! I'm moving up! I'm moving up! Get the hell out of here now! My belt is falling out of my dick. I can't. Where's my belt? Brad, go over to the side. guys inside! Move the barrier! Move them back! Scott, lay it down. You're gonna be my bunker.
Oh, 33.
Yeah, that kid's done. Here is mine. I'm gonna go get that fucker out. Go. They're getting close.
Oh, he's out.
You're out! You are out! Yes! I got you!
He's dead.
Yeah.
Move up, guys.
I got your little dance.
You dance like that.
I go for Brett and Michael right over there.
Wait, who is that?
That's John. He's over in someone else's. Man, these people need a fence.
Yeah.
These are my only two
Get
guns.
my cover.
Dude, get out of the way.
Hey, Scott! Right. Eric, don't even bother! Just... I caught one!
You out?
Eric, don't even bother!
Yeah, we're just screwed sitting here. Nick's being
Oh.
dumb.
Ew.
I'm hating!
Oh, you guys are out.
You're not getting with hit me! That's on my
Oh, who shot the head?
Hit! No, we just surrendered. Stop! Guys,
Eric, I already got hit like twice on you, fuck!
Michael, are you surrendering?
What?
Oh!
hit.
All right.
You killed me! I have this!
Dude, two of us just had a pistol.
And I killed no house on it. We can damage their property, therefore we can't play on theirs. It's not like you run around through a neighborhood playing.
Yeah.
Yeah, we do at John's house. No, not really. We usually play in this yard. It's not like you can go at Notting Hill or Jerry populated neighborhood and you run around with AKs. This could then bomb.
I know. I'm sitting here holding my only had 3. We only had.
I got you.
I hit you though. I hit you.
Well, all right. You know what? Everybody that I called or I gave an opportunity to come had an automatic machine gun. It's not my fault that they.